This the type. There are three aspects that relate directly to learning itself, which includes physical experience, and because of this, memorization of facts, and also because of this emotional subconscious learning through feelings like joy, it turns out that it's not just one thing that prevails. One is connected to the other. So it turns out to be a triangle, if I can put it that way. Yes, from those three types. And you can't say that one is more important than the other. You need to understand that, for example, one leads to another. Yes, for example, from physical experience comes proper memorization and understanding of processes, and from that proper understanding of processes, so joy and confidence in knowledge come out of that, as well as the positive experience that you can then scale by applying it in other situations. So for example, speech therapists or psychologists, they work in one way, so you understand, right? Either through memorization, meaning she will remember this, this, and this. So they either work through feelings like you need to calm down, but that doesn't really work, you know. I described exactly what will work. This will work in the most effective way. And if you try to do something different, either focusing on emotions or on that, but without first having physical experience, understand first what, why, how. There should also be understanding, meaning before that, when a person starts something, they need to be shown, explained what, why, and how they adapt. Only after that should you give them the chance to gain experience. And actually, only after that should you give them the opportunity to start gaining some experience. Well, actually, as he progresses, to correct, to adjust where necessary, but also keep an eye on the progress.